In this video, we will learn how can we solve the complex number equation in MATLAB. Like if we have some variable complex, real or imaginary, we can solve. How can we solve? So let's first we write equation 1 is equal to x square 2 plus y square is approximately equal to y, and equation 2 is equal to x minus y b, and then we have to symbolize, and if we like we say that a and b are real. Here a and b are real, so we have to assume a real, and also we have to assume b yeah. And now we have to solve the equation, like x is equal to solve equation 1, equation 2, and x y, and we calculate dot z is equal to dot x y. We have variable x, y, a, b and z, so we need to symbolize them because these are unknown variable x, y, z, a and b. Okay, now we run this questions to solve the equation. You can see y is equal to but equation are like very complicated, so we can simplify z and run again. You will see the answer, very simple answer, right? Like, and if you have to solve by yourself, you need time and it will take your hard work. But here MATLAB, just you need to write a simplify command and you will get a simple answer of your equation question. Okay. This is the way how can we solve real and imaginary equation in MATLAB. Thank you so much for watching my video.